This has been going on for the past, oh, sorry, hour or so. Look at all the birds. What the hell? Oh my God, it's just disgusting. All these birds. Look at that. At least they're not on our lawn. Look at that. I'm telling you, and they're all coming from over here. They're just flying. This has been going on for 30 minutes. They're just coming in. Looks like they parked right here in this neighbor's yard. Ew, think of all the poo. Gross. I think I need fireworks, bottle rockets. They get on our yard. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad we don't have trees. We have palm trees. Oh my God, I could record this forever.